Hey, what's going on, my friend? This is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka Forex Apostle, and on this video, I'm going to be demonstrating and show you how to use TraderMatic to go long on your trades. That is, to buy any currency pairs, indices, cryptocurrency, precious metal, depends on what you are trading. But in this example, I'm going to be using Euro USD, and of course, as you can see, this is 1 hour chart. So once you have set up everything, so let's look into the longer, setup. Number one, the MACD has to be either blue or start to be green like this. Okay, it's either it start to be green. What that means is that it's changing to positive. Remember, this MACD Pro has this zero line. This yellow dotted line is zero line. So, and of course, the normal MACD principle states that you buy when the price is above or when the histogram line, the chart is above the zero. Okay, but in this situation you can actually go long as soon as you have this green histogram, okay, on this MACD right here, because what it's telling you is that, okay, the price is changing to go up. Okay, so once you have this, as you can see, this is green, this is blue, then you have the arrow pointing up telling you now get ready to buy. Now when you look at that situation, you let this candle closes, and of course the box here also will turn to lime color, green, depends on the color that you use in the settings. So once that happens, where do you put your stop loss? Put your stop loss like 3 to 5 pips away from your swing low, okay, before this place. So for example, if we are going long right here at the close of this candle, okay, at the close of this candle, so my stop loss will be somewhere right here, okay, so which is very, very small. In this example right here, the same thing. So let's say, for example, you're going long, because right here you have the blue. Then of course you can see the blue, this histograph is already showing blue right there, sorry. So it's already showing blue. So at the close of this candle, you go right here. At the close of this candle, you go long right there. So let's say you go long. Let's change this to blue. So you're going long right there. Then where will your stop loss be? Your stop loss will be somewhere below this swing low right here. Okay, your stop loss will be somewhere right there. Let's change this to red. So this will be your stop loss right here. Okay, and where will be your take profit? Now this is the magic. There are different ways by which you can take profit with TraderMatic. The first one is for you to activate the support and resistance line. Okay, you can activate the show line. You see right here, show line, put it to be true. So you can use the very next support resistance line, or you can just use your ratio, like a risk to reward ratio. If you are risking 25 pips for this trade, then my take profit might be either 25 pips or 50 pips. You can see this goes as high as even 89 pips on this trade. Okay, so on this trade we're looking at almost 90 pips right there. So another way you can do this is, once you put your stop loss, then you can use what we call trailing stop. All this we go over them in my coaching and mentoring program, okay, you can use trailing stop to trail your profit. So, but let's assume that, okay, this is 25 pips. Then you can look into another way you can do this is you can zoom and look at where you have, okay, if this is where you are entering, I will put my take profit somewhere right here. You see the next resistance level right there, or I can use here, okay, either this or this or this. Okay, if you use any of those three, you can see that it's still you still hit your profit target. So it's either this right here or this or this. Okay, either of those three, you will hit your profit right there. So if you are using this, you can see, let me draw the line. If you are using this, if you're using this one here, you will discover that you hit your target. We go do live demo on this, but let me just show you what. So let me put this one to be green. Let's use this, and let's use this. So either I use this one, or I can use this, or I can use this. So either of those three will get me to my profit target. So let's take a look. You see, so we enter from here, as we've said. The first target hit right there. Okay, how many pips did we get? We get from here over there, we get 25 pips. The next target hit, we get 50 pips. The next one hit, we get 63 pips, and so on and so forth. So that is how you go long. That is how you buy with TraderMatic. When do you exit? You exit when you see the arrow at the opposite direction, or when the histogram start turning from the histogram starts turning from blue to yellow, you can exit. And of course, when you see right here, look at this. So if I was on this trade, I will exit my trade once I see this yellow histogram close. Once this candle right here close, I will exit my trade. And of course, you can see now that you can enter the short position right from here. And of course, the short position also is still continuing. So once this closes, you can see right here, we're looking at another 80 pips. So just within this how many hours window, you are looking to almost 200 pips. So this is how to use TraderMatic to buy for your long position. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to use TraderMatic for short position, and of course we will also go into live demo of this. Thank you so much for your time. If you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to this channel, I will recommend and suggest that you do. Hit the button below this video, and if you are watching this on YouTube channel, and of course that will get you to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you in the next video, my friend.